guys, Jeff here. Welcome to Strictly for Health. And today I'm going to be giving you 6 mistakes not to make when beginning keto. Number 1 is going to be not drinking enough water. Studies says that our bodies consist of 60% water and our brains nearly 80%. So with that being said, while on a keto diet, our insulin levels drop very quickly. So what is going on is that your insulin will hold the sodium. So if your body doesn't get enough sodium, it will get quickly dehydrated. So it's a very important factor to drink a lot of water. Drink at least 3 to 5 liters a day, guys. Number 2 would be cutting carbs and introducing fats too quickly. Now, if you're like most people who have a high carb diet, then going into a full-blown keto diet will be a real hassle. I mean, it would be a big hassle, guys. So with that being said, try half and half. Do keto one day, the next day carb. So it will make things easier. Number 3 is going to be forgetting to eat the right kind of fats. Now, it's a fact that the keto diet is all about high fat, medium protein, and low carbohydrates. But just remember, it's important to know what kind of fats you're consuming, and the healthy ones are preferred more. Number 4 is going to be not salting your foods. Now, one thing I say is that when you have a keto style diet, your insulin levels will drop very quickly. Now, one thing I say is that when you have a keto style diet, your sodium levels will drop because of low insulin. Now, you have to top up on your salt and sodium so you don't have brain fog or muscle cramps. So try a little pink Himalayan salt on your food, and you can also try it in a glass of water. Pretty simple. Tip number 5 is not allowing yourself any keto treats. Now, you don't want to make things boring just eating bacon, eggs, and cheese. You want to spice things up a little bit, guys. So try some delicious keto muffins, chocolate cakes, or anything you like. Just make a keto version of it, guys, and make things quite simple. But just make sure you allow yourself some keto treats. Number 6 would be getting caught up in carb counting and not eating enough high quality foods. Now, it's an easy mistake to make to concentrate on high fat, medium protein and getting rid of all your carbs. But doing that will you will easily find yourself in a local restaurant absorbing all of those processed foods. And that is not good, my friends. So guys, just concentrate on healthy foods and not your carbs. Foods like whole chicken, whole salmon, decent oils, and other types of fats. Just don't concentrate so much on carbs. Now, if you feel I missed anything, guys, just let me know. I love the feedback. But now, that's it. Take care, guys. Jeff here for Strictly for Health, and have a great day.